Hello, amazing people. Welcome back yet again to the Guided Dreams YouTube channel. My name is Dr. CT Onyema. It's a very hot day right here in the Greater Toronto area. The weatherman says it's about 38 degrees Celsius, feels like over 40. So if we are getting it so hot, we can't complain. So in this edition, I'm bringing to you a caregiver nanny agency that can take you by hand and make your dream a reality. They can afford to take you by hand, get you an employer that is willing to accept you and walk you through all the rigorous processes involved in migrating to Canada as a caregiver or as a nanny. These agency services areas such as Ontario, British Columbia, and a whole lot of other regions. Follow me on the inside as I show you everything you need to know, the requirements, and all you need to reach out to this employer to ensure that actually you are successful in this venture. Follow me on the inside. Let's dissect this. See you. All right, amazing people. Welcome back to this inner section where I promise to take you by hand and show you everything you need to know about this amazing caregiver opportunity. Now, this is an agency known as Paragon Personnel Limited. Okay. Now, as usual, I'd like to show you about the organization. Who are we? Is a nanny agency located in Burnaby, British Columbia, with almost 4 decades of experience serving British Columbia, Alberta, and Ontario residents, locating the best caregivers available to care for their children and also seniors as well. Okay, so they can assure you of their commitment to excellent service. Now, here you see what are they guaranteeing their clients 60% of their businesses is based on repeat clients and referrals. Okay, problems rarely occur, and if they do, you have a guarantee of a free replacement during the probation period of first 3 months of the nanny's employment. It means that it's normal here in Canada. You go through a probationary period of 3 months before your employment is confirmed with that particular employer. So they started working as far back as in 1980 up to the current year, 2024. I think they need to, update this logo where they celebrated 41 years. So now it's over 44 years of active service. Okay. Now, if you go to this tab is all about those that require a nanny. So looking for a nanny, hiring a foreign living nanny, how to select a nanny interviews, work permit processing, and all that. But I believe that this video, I'm narrowing it down to a whole lot of you because I know that your need is to find a job as a caregiver or as a nanny. So go to the number 4 tab. If you are interested in looking at the jobs they posted on their website, you click on Nanny's job board. Now, my emphasis is on the foreign nanny requirements. I've made a video about the Canada Caregiver Program that will open sometime later in the year. Check out this video on top about that particular program. Now, these guys, they offer also the living caregiver, but like I said, my emphasis is on the foreign nanny requirements. Okay, if you go into this place where they call the database of nannies, if you click on it, you will see people they have listed on their website and their profiles. This is what it's going to look like for you when you approach them and they take you in. So recruiters or employers, I should say, will come here and reach out to them and they finalize any opportunity that they both parties agree upon. Now, for you who is actually working towards making this a reality for you, just click on foreign nanny requirements. Because you're outside Canada, those within Canada as well, you can reach out to them that you're looking for a part-time or a full-time opportunity, and they can also work with you. But my emphasis on this video is those outside Canada, in Nigeria, in Uganda, in Kenya, in Ghana, in UK, all over the world where you usually watch my video from. follow me closely on this one. Now, in order to qualify for a position as a nanny in Canada, all applicants must meet four requirements set by the Citizenship and Immigration Canada under the Temporary Foreign Worker Program, because this is not a permanent resident route. But when you come in as a temporary foreign worker under this program, after a few months, up to maybe a year, you gather the experience, you can easily apply for a permanent residency, because some of the requirements this agency is asking of you will help you also to apply for permanent residency. Now, information for foreign in-home caregivers. Are you interested in working as a caregiver? What do you need? You must have, completed at least 1 year post-secondary education, maybe in Canada or outside Canada. If you're outside Canada, you should be able to evaluate and prove that your education credential is equivalent to at least a post-secondary education in Canada. You should have at least 6 months of full-time training in a school environment or 12 months of work experience in any paid um, employment in a field related to the job. What does this mean? If you're applying for a caregiver opportunity with them, your experience you put down in your resume should show that you have at least 6 to 12 months experience as a caregiver. If you are looking for a nanny opportunity, make sure you put in something showing 6 to 12 months as a nanny. Does that make sense? If yes, please like this video and we'll move on right now. You should show your ability to speak, read, understand either English or French. Now, the criteria is simply a CLB band 5, either in English or in French. All right? An employment contract between you and your future employer, a CLB band 5, and what they call the equivalent foreign credential proven with ECA. So you have to approach the West and evaluate your degree or your diploma to show that it's equivalent to that of at least post-secondary education in Canada. So if you check your portfolio and you have all these requirements, what you simply need to do, come to this side of this website, click get started now. But don't be in a hurry. Look quickly and you see that documents needed before applying for a job as a nanny or caregiver. 1. Reference letters from your present and previous employers. Your resume, your Canadian style resume. Remember, for throughout the month of May, we gave a 1 month free resume optimization and review to community members, even those that are not even our members. We gave 1 month free resume review and optimization. We attended to over 50 people free of charge without charging them a dime to review their resume. So if you were lucky to have participated and benefited from that experience, use that resume to apply to this job opportunity right now, and you will be glad you did. But however, if you still require that services, send us an email using this email right here on the screen, requiring us to review your resume. But however, it is for a fee. Now, another document is what they call the Dear Family Letter. I will come to this in a jiffy. The other one is your, of course, your certificate and your photos, all right? Copy of your passport. If you have a work permit, also bring in that. Now, finally, you download the application form over here, or once you click the Get Started Now, it will pop up and you fill up the application form. And I will show you that in a jiffy. But this is what they mean when they talk about the Dear Family Letter. Click on that link. It's simply an expression of whom you are, telling them about you. Just like this guy sorry, this lady here named Andrea. She mentioned where she's from, um, her date of birth, and a little bit background of her family and stuff like that. That is one of the requirements, and you must have to write that letter called the Dear Family letter. Now, if you have all these documents and you want to apply, simply click on this application. Simply click Get Started Now. So once you click on this Get Started Now, it's going to bring this application form for you. Please fill in these applications sincerely and genuinely as possible. Okay, I don't want to waste time telling you what you're going to put in there in terms of names and everything, but I'll highlight a few of these issues. Look at page number 2. Please provide the full name, city, and telephone number of your present, last, and previous employers, along with duties performed, dates of employment, and age of children under your care. This is tricky. Make sure that this part is in tandem, is in agreement, tallies with what you have on your resume. Please make sure they are in agreement. If they are not, this is a point where you can always be booted out of this exercise. Now, finally, you have the issue of agreement. Agree to the 3 terms. You don't have a choice but to agree, but read what you are signing, okay? Then you date and you sign. Afterwards, you simply email all these documents to this email address right now on your screen, talking about info@paragonpersonnel.com. Make sure your, as I usually say, make sure that your subject title of your email is meaningful. Okay? You can say caregiver application, nanny opportunity, something like that. Now, in the body of your email, make sure it makes sense. You can turn that body of your email to be your cover letter. Though they didn't mention it here, but put it there. Sell yourself in that cover letter, in that body of your email, and you can be outstanding whenever you do that. Now, pray that Mother Luck shines on you and you will be on your way to Canada, courtesy of Paragon Personnel Limited. If you have been with us on this one up to this point, why not subscribe? If it's the first time you are coming across what we are doing, that is the only way we can grow. And if you're a returning member, I pray your dream comes true. That is all for this one, and I thank you most kindly for being with us on this one. And as usual, I will see you in yet another one. Take care, stay blessed.